birthday party. It's multiple things that is going to be occurring in this vlog, and so I will just be telling you throughout the vlog, hey, this is this day, hey, this is that day. So it's kind of chopped up, but we're going to get it together and it's going to be going through smooth. Before I get into the nitty-gritty of this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you know the next time a top flight video will drop. Good morning, guys. Today is January 17th. I will be going to work, and then after work I'm going to be celebrating my friend's birthday. And so this is basically a chopped up vlog because I started January 15th and today's the 17th, so we're just going to go through the days, like, yeah. But I'll see you at work, and then after work, and then when I'm getting ready. Okay, so I just got off of work. Now I'm going to be heading to Walmart just to get a few things. So I will be seeing y'all at Walmart. So I got her these flowers. They're so beautiful. Look at them. But now I'm just trying to figure out something that she would like. It's definitely nothing in here. This looks kind of perfect. Look how big this teddy bear is. This one is bigger though. I don't know. I kind of do like this. I like that. Ooh, look at this one. Do it do something? Try me. It light up. Oh, the foot. I'm gonna get her this card. It's so pretty. I need some nail polish remover to take off these old nails, and then I think some fake nails too with some fake glue, and a candle, and that's it. It's gonna be so exciting. Okay, so I had some change of plans. I forgot I needed to get hair products, so I'll be getting these two hair products, and then I need some of this as well. Thinking this. Thinking this. Okay, so we're now about to head to checkout. I'll see y'all when I get back in the car. Okay, y'all, so I am back home, but I'm going to get ready off camera so that I don't be distracted or forget anything. So I'm gonna end up coming back to y'all when it's time for us to go. So this is what I am wearing, just a black, it was a black bodysuit, but I cut it into like a little shirt. My jeans, distressed jeans, black boots from Fashion Nova, jacket from Fashion Nova, and then my little necklace detail, and I put on these nails. And so this is how I'm looking. I like it. Okay, so I did tweak my outfit, and I'm throwing on my black belt to match my black top and boots, and then I put on this little chain to match my other chains. So this is actually the final fit. So we're on our way now. We just had to put oil in the car, and now we're about to head to the restaurant. See you when we get to the restaurant.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you.
So we're now downtown, and we're now heading to the Dirt Bar. Birthday party was a success. Now we are heading home. I am so tired, but I had fun, and I hope the birthday girl had fun. Hey guys, today is January 17th. My bad. Today is January 18th, and today I'm going out with another friend, and we're going to a seafood place. I'll meet y'all there at the seafood place. Okay, after I finished cleaning the house, which I like to do when everybody's asleep, is more peaceful, I told my husband, let's just go and go to Outback. Now, Outback is one of my favorite steak places to go. They steak just be so flavorful and tender and juicy, and it just never fails me. And so we're finally being able to walk inside Outback. I'm super excited because it's been a minute since we had it. So being the gentleman my husband is, he passed me my Outback menu, and I immediately start looking at the drinks. Now, my favorite drink at Outback is the blueberry lavender lemonade, and it's so good. And then I'll always get me a steak regardless. A steak is always on the menu for me. Guess what? Look, I have my blueberry lavender lemonade. Look how beautiful this drink is. So of course I get my first little sip of it, and oh my gosh, it was so good. You see how long that sip was? That is a good drink. Seriously good. To start off, he had chose a blue cheese pecan salad, and then I chose the Caesar salad. Outback Caesar salad is so delicious. This is basically my favorite salad. In almost every restaurant that I go to, I try to taste their Caesar salad, and so far only Perry's Steakhouse can give Outback a run for its money. But other than that, Outback got me. My husband's main dish was a baked potato soup with just chives. And then of course I got me a medium rare steak with shrimp on the Barbie, loaded mashed potatoes, and I got me a lobster tail. Now, lobster is so good. Like, I have to have it with my steak. It just completes the order in general. Like, look at this. I devoured my plate. That steak was so good. The shrimp was just seasoned just right. The lobster tail definitely never fails me. It is always good. Now, I end up ordering me another blueberry lavender lemonade, and again, it was so good. And I was being a little greedy, so I ended up ordering me another lobster tail. Hey guys, today is January 23rd, and I'm at 5 and Below. There's supposed to be a little snowstorm happening in Texas, so I'm just getting some snacks here to hold me over because the girl loves to eat, and I need to be able to have something to hold me off. So they have my Olipop. I love Olipop. Now they don't have my favorite flavor, which is cream soda, but I love me some root beer. So I'm gonna get that. I never had the strawberry vanilla. Kind of scared. Not all of them taste good, but I love almost anything that's vanilla flavored. So I still have Doritos at home. A big bag of Doritos, family Doritos. I always need me like a family size bag of chips. So what am I get? I think I'm gonna give me some hot Funyuns. Some hot Funyuns. I kind of want those all the way up there. Not my finger, that, but oh, there they go. They got some right here. Is the Fireflies good? I don't think I liked the Fireflies last time, did I? Of course you wouldn't know. Get me some of these too. Both of them. Look at these. I think these are so cute. I guess I tried the spicy noodle one. So I'm gonna get the spicy noodle, and I'm getting this. And then look, they have faux rice. That's so cute. Y'all, look how big this gummy bear bag is, and it's for $10. Now I love me some gummy bears, but gummy bears got you breaking your jaw. But they be smart. They be smart though. I don't know what to get. I kind of want some cheesy popcorn, but I never had that popcorn before. I'm not a big fan of candy, so I'm not gonna get me anything. We're gonna need drinks too. No, I'm not a big fan of hot Cheetos. Time to look at the rest of the place. Okay, so we just finished the bag of candy. Now what's left is getting the drinks. And then we should be finished. Oh my gosh, look at this pickle. That's crazy. I was looking for a hot mama pickle, but they didn't have them. So I guess I ain't getting no pickle. So I guess I'll see y'all when I get out the store. So now I'm about to get mouthwash. I never had none of these. I've had the Dazzling Mint one. I'm really not a big fan of that one. So I think I'm going to try the Mount Mint. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get Mount Mint. Right here, I'll be looking for this. I'm gonna try it. So I heard EO smells so good. I don't know which one to try. I really hear that this one smells good. So I might just do this one because I love almost anything that smells like vanilla. So I think I'm gonna get this one. Now I'm heading to the body wash. Let's see. Do they have the one that I want? Yeah, there we go. Excuse me. No, you're fine. This one. I love this. This smells like coffee, literally coffee. It smells so good. So and there you go. They got the body wash of it. I'm gonna try the body. Let me smell it first. Let me see what it smells like. That smells good. I'm gonna get that too. Okay, so I gotta finish shopping, and then I'll talk to y'all later when I get back home because it's loud. So I'm back home and I'm finally ending this vlog. This vlog has been going on for way too long. And so thank you all for watching this video. Thank you so much, my treasures. And for my new gems, thank you as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so you know every time a top flight video will drop. Thank you. Bye.